DeFi Darius, Digital Asset Junkie TV. Thank you guys so much for spending time with us. You guys, Bitcoin's at 108. Today is June 11th, 2025. And if you guys please go to my X account, give me a follow. I want more interactions on X. Come on, you guys. Help me out. Don't be a freeloader. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Fintech giant Stripe acquired crypto wallet Privy. Okay. All right. Stripe just had a 1.1 billion. Okay. That's a billion stablecoin deal. Dude, this deal right here this isn't about Privy. This isn't about Privy just having a tech acquisition. This is a loud endorsement for crypto infrastructure. All right. You understand? All right. Privy is a wallet. That means that they already have customers that are actually buying crypto. All right. So this is large, man. This is overall helping all established blockchains, Ethereum, Solana's, ICP. All right. This is helping the overall infrastructure, you guys. All right. You know, so let's look at the chart right now. Let's see where we're at. Internet Computer Protocol is currently listed at number 33 on CoinMarketCap. 33 listed at 33 of the market cap has a 33 highest market cap. That's why it's 33. All right. I know you tech nerds already know that, but this channel isn't for you guys. Okay. This is for the normies. You understand me? $6.04. This price right here, ICP needs to go. You need this in your wallet. You understand me? You need this in your wallet. My wife, she's buying 3 different. I had to get on my wife the other day. She bought 3 different deodorant. She has one is watermelon. The other one is strawberry. Another one's coconut butter. It's like stop buying it. Buy one. All right? Then we can save the rest for Internet Computer Protocol. This is not financial advice, you guys. This is not financial advice.
Okay, let's talk about the top stories. 2 House committees advanced the crypto market structure bill yesterday, marking the first of several expected developments.
You guys don't understand what's happening around the world? It's happening everywhere. All right, we are moving into the digital revolution, the 4th industrial complex. All right, you guys, I'm not a scammer. I'm not one of these YouTubers that's going to ask you, could you please use the promo code and use Digital Asset Junkie so I can save money? No, I'm not. What I want to do, I want to grow with you guys. I want us all to grow together and connect, politic ditto, and talk our shit. You know, this isn't that kind of channel. Let's continue to go on.
Tied to crypto legislation this week. The House Financial Services Committee voted 32-19 to advance the Clarity Act, which is aimed at setting up crypto market oversight. The Agriculture Committee also voted 47-6 to advance the bill. It will now move for consideration by
47-6, landslide.
The wider House.
You hear me?
Financial Services Committee Chairman.
Blockchain is not a bipartisan issue at all, okay? All right, the current president's opponent, that person was jockeying for blockchain. Okay, so it's not a bipartisan issue, which means that whoever's in office, blockchain's gonna go.
French Hill said that he was, quote, proud that the 2 committees took the vital step in advancing the Bipartisan Clarity Act. Agriculture Committee Chairman G.T. Thompson said in a statement that the bipartisan votes advancing this bill out of the House committees proves that the timing is ripe to advance common sense legislation that will finally bring certainty to the digital asset space. Now, at the same time, the Senate's Genius Act stablecoin regulation bill is moving toward a final vote, with the full Senate expected to take it up this afternoon.
You know, these are like puzzle pieces falling perfectly in unison. Okay, stablecoins going to provide liquidity. Okay, all right, and everything else is falling after that. This is beautiful.
Senate aides tell CNBC that more than 100 amendments have been filed from both Democrats and Republicans on the Genius Act. Some of those amendments focus on prohibiting the president and other government officials and their families from directly or indirectly profiting from a stablecoin venture while in office. Another amendment was filed by Senators Josh Hawley and Richard Blumenthal that would prohibit large online platforms from issuing a stablecoin. Next, Connecticut lawmakers unanimously passed a bill banning crypto use in government. Yesterday, the state's General Assembly enacted legislation that would specifically prohibit state and local governments from making or accepting crypto payments or investing in digital assets. It also bans the establishment of a reserve of virtual currency. The bill goes into effect October 1st, giving players time to adjust to the framework. This comes after lawmakers in some states, including Wyoming and South Dakota, rejected to establish state-level crypto reserves. Last, yet another crypto company is reportedly setting their sights on the public markets after Circle's successful IPO last week. According to the Financial Times, Peter Thiel-backed crypto exchange Bullish has confidentially filed for an IPO with the SEC in recent weeks. Now, by filing confidentially, Bullish can test investor appetite without immediate scrutiny on the company's financials. Bullish tried to go public via SPAC back in 2021, but that fell through the next year amid a regulatory crackdown and as a sudden rise in interest rates weighed on equities. We reached out to Bullish about the FT report but didn't hear back right away. Earlier this week, we also told you that Gemini, the crypto firm led by the Winklevoss twins, confidentially filed to go public on Friday.
Bruh, a lot is going on. I don't know about you guys, but I would never invest in a stock called Bullish. Come on, man, get it together. That's Dominic right there. All right, the CEO or the chief scientist. He's no longer the CEO. He actually stepped down from that position, but he's a chief scientist. All right, so he's a chief scientist at Definity Foundation, the company behind the ICP token. All right, so Caffeine AI, you guys. Dominic has helped create Caffeine AI to help developers. Because the more developers, the more use case. You guys get it? We need more developers. Apparently, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but Internet Computer Protocol has the most developers. Okay, out of all the blockchains, I think Ethereum has the second most. Internet Computer Protocol has the most developers. More developers means more dApps. All right. That means more product. You might be a developer someday. Using Caffeine AI, you don't need to know how to code, man. All right. So this is for the youngsters watching. This is for the youngsters. If you have ideas and if you see how things work, because that's all blockchain really is tech companies solving each other's problems. You know, the ultimate problem is to get your customer, right? But first, before you get your customer, you got to have the tech right. So in the midst of getting your customers, you might solve a tech problem for another company, and another blockchain company might use your tech. You guys get it? You guys, we're in a beautiful time right now. Everybody's involved. Like I said, I'm not a scammer. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm trying to grow with you guys. Digital Asset Junkie TV. Thank you guys for listening.